sandals will be around 75. They still have leather insole though, but fabric upper. And then the most expensive leather shoe we'll have will be about 65. So for the hotels, we're hoping that we meet with each hotel, because I don't know if you know, some of the hotels purchase according to color. So we'll have to meet with each hotel and see what their description is for their gift shop at that time, and then see if we do have matching items that they'd be interested in taking, and hit that price point at any time. All of our shoes will have leather insole, because I think it's very important for the back. Like I have a back problem personally, so I think it's very important for the back to have that consistent insole and fit. So everything will have leather insole. Well, our slipper, I think, would be one of the more economical slippers, because even when you buy the other slippers that are leatherette, you're not getting a leather insole. So we're not using leather anymore, we're using textile, because textile is a big thing now. So if you look at Clarks and all those shoes out of Europe, they're now in textiles. So we're going to have textiles to match all bags that we have. So we'll have sandals to match all bags, and then we'll have leather as well.